Hey there. If you're on the hunt for a new washing machine, I totally get it. This isn't a purchase you make lightly. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or just need an upgrade, you want something reliable and efficient. Today, I'm breaking down a few great options to help you find the perfect fit. From affordable picks to feature-packed models, let's get into the details so you can make the best choice for your laundry needs. Number 5. If you're tight on space but still need a reliable washing machine, the Black+Decker 2.0 CU foot portable washer might be what you're looking for. This compact little guy is perfect for small apartments, dorms, or even RVs. It's seriously easy to move around and doesn't take up much room. What's great is it doesn't skimp on features. You've got multiple cycles to handle everything from delicates to heavy-duty loads, and it does a solid job cleaning smaller batches of laundry. No more wasting time and money at the laundromat. Now, it won't replace a full-size machine if you do large loads regularly, but for convenience in small spaces, it's a game changer. Honestly, if portability and simplicity are your priorities, this one's worth considering. Number 4. Alright, let's talk about the underwear washing machine. This little gadget is a game changer for small laundry needs. Imagine being able to wash your socks, underwear, or baby clothes anywhere, even without a power outlet. It's portable, battery-powered, and completely waterproof, so it's perfect for travel, camping, or just tossing in your gym bag. What I love is the blue light sterilization. It's not just cleaning, it's keeping things hygienic. Plus, it mimics hand scrubbing for a gentle yet thorough wash. With a high-speed 2000 R/M motor and 2 timed modes, you can choose between a quick rinse or a deeper clean. No more stinky laundry piling up when you're on the go. If you need a compact, no-fuss solution for small items, this thing is seriously handy. Number 3. Alright, let's talk about the Rovsun 25 pounds portable washing machine. This one's a solid option if you're looking for something compact but efficient. What really stands out is its 2-in-1 functionality. It both washes and spin dries, which is a huge space saver, especially for smaller homes or apartments. You're getting 2 machines in one, and that's always a win in my book. The inner drum has this diamond pattern design that's pretty clever. It helps clean your clothes thoroughly while also reducing wear and tear. I appreciate that it's gentle on fabrics, but still delivers a powerful clean. It's perfect for anyone who wants to streamline their laundry process without sacrificing performance. Honestly, if you're tight on space or just want something portable and reliable, the Rovsun is definitely worth considering. It's practical, efficient, and gets the job done. Number 2. Alright, let's talk about this portable washing machine, because honestly, it's a game changer for small spaces. If you're living in an apartment, dorm, or just need something compact, this one's worth considering. First off, the twin tub design is super handy. It lets you wash and spin dry at the same time, which saves you so much time. The capacity is pretty generous for its size, too, so you're not stuck doing tiny loads all day. What I really love is how lightweight it is. You can easily move it around if needed, and it doesn't take up much room. It's perfect for multitaskers who want to get laundry done efficiently without sacrificing space. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, portable washing solution. Number 1. Alright, let's talk about the Jujojb portable washing machine. If you're someone who values keeping your delicate fabrics separate from your everyday laundry, this little machine could be a game changer. It's designed to ensure hygienic cleaning by preventing cross-contamination, which is perfect for washing items like lingerie, baby clothes, or even workout gear. Plus, its portable design makes it super convenient for small spaces like apartments or even RVs. What really stood out to me was its upgraded features like the powerful spin function and the blue light for an extra clean finish. It's made from TP and food-grade silicone, so you know it's safe and durable. Honestly, if you're looking for a compact, reliable washer that doesn't compromise on performance, this one's worth considering. Alright, that wraps up our look at these top washing machines. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or just need a reliable upgrade, I hope this comparison helped narrow down your options. Each model has its strengths, so it really depends on your needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning toward, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching.